जागतिक भलायकी संघटनेन म्हणजे WHOन बुधवारा संवसारातल्या पहिल्या मलेरिया वासिनाक मान्यताय दिल्या। WHOन RDXGOA ह्या मॉस्क्युरिक्स वॅक्सिनाक मान्यताय दिल्या। जागतिक भलायकी संघटनेचे महानिर्देशक टेड्रोस एडनॉम घेब्रेयेसूस हांच्यांनी सांगला हे वासीन आफ्रिकी विज्ञानिकांनी तयार केला आणि हाचेर आमकां गर्व आसा। RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
Today is a very historic day, and because it's not only this vaccine is just for malaria. This is not first vaccine just for malaria, but it's also the first vaccine for any parasitic disease. So it will open up opportunities for other diseases as well, in the control of other diseases as well. So that's what I would like to underline. And then the second is in terms of next steps. I think many were interested on how we would scale up intervention and make use of this new tool. And as you may guess, we will move into massive mobilization because we will need resources. And if we're going to increase access to this new tool, then we will need increased production of the vaccine, and that means we will need resources. And as what Somia said, I hope the partnership and cooperation will continue to avail the resources so that children in Africa and in other parts of the world can have access to this vaccine. Having a vaccine is an important milestone, but the key is having that vaccine in use and creating access to as many children as possible. So that will be the major challenge now, as you have already guessed, and we will do everything to make sure that we have resources to deliver this vaccine to those who needs it.